Hey, my name's David Collins. I'm pastor of Blood River Baptist Church in Albany, Louisiana. We were affected by the flood in March and in August, and now we are trying to rebuild the parsonage, the sanctuary, and the educational buildings. So we're eternally grateful for all the donations that people have given us and the help from all the local churches around Mississippi and all across Louisiana that came every weekend to serve the Lord, putting all this together. And we really appreciate it. We'll be eternally grateful to share the love of Christ towards all the people in this community. There's so many people that's being reached through Blood River Baptist Church and through this community. So we're wanting to continue God's work in our community. So please appreciate if anybody could help us. We are currently looking for some folks that are really good at floating sheetrock and hanging sheetrock, and some carpenters. So right now, if you want to help with that area, just contact the church at 225-567-3629. Thank you.